Okay, we're going to be going over the Simple Maintenance Redirect plugin. This is version 1.0.1 and a very simple plugin. All it does is, just as the description says, it redirects visitors to one of your specified pages without the header and the footer, so it's not going to include your navigation bars or any of that. Or it will forward them to an external URL. So if you have a website that you, maybe a parent website that you want to send them to in the meantime, you can do that. But let's just jump right in, and I'll show you how to set it up. So go over to our admin side of our website, and let's go to the plugins and add a new plugin. We're going to type in Simple Maintenance Redirect, and might be further down just because it's a new plugin. And then there it is. Let's install that and activate it. Okay, now we can go ahead and jump right over to settings. And this is just going to be on your general settings tab. All the way at the bottom, we have 3 new fields here. It just gives you an option to either redirect to a page or to the external URL or disable it. And then if you do the page, then you can choose which page, or you can put your URL here. And we leave those open so you can keep them there without it resetting every time if you just want to go back and forth. But we don't have anything set up, so let's go ahead and set up a page real quick and go over to pages, add a new page, and let's just title this Coming Soon, and then we'll write a little message. This site is under construction. Please come back another time. And we'll hit publish, and you can add a logo or fancy it up, do whatever you want, just like you would any other page. So we're going to go ahead and go back over to our settings, and then down here we will redirect to page, then choose our Coming Soon page. And you can also see that if it is a draft, it's going to show as a draft. So you want to make sure it's published, otherwise it's not going to work. So this one is published, so we're going to save that. And basically, if we now you can see that our admin bar is changed colors. That's showing you that it's in maintenance mode now. So if I go back to my page and view that, you can see that there's no header, there's no footer. It just shows the Coming Soon message. So, and that's what everybody else is going to see if they go to a website like on here. You can see if I try to go to any page, it's just going to go right over to the Coming Soon one. And unless I go to the login page, of course, then it'll allow me to go in there, but otherwise it's going to just cheat you right over. So if you wanted to change the color of the background or anything like that, you can do that with CSS, just like you would any other page. So that's it. That's all there really is to it. So if you have any questions, just feel free to jump over to our repo and click on the support tab, or you can join us on Discord. We do have a support page on Discord as well. So down here you can see there's a link to it, and we'll also put a link down below on this video. So, and that is it.